What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a video on my Crossman Fire Break Barrel pellet gun. And this is a really nice pellet gun. I got it for about $170 over the summer. The scope was not that good, so I went off and I bought an extra scope mount with a Simmons scope. It's a 9x32 scope. Now this pellet gun shoots .77 caliber pellets. So this is the hunting pellet. It's got the red tip. It opens up like a hollow point out of a 9mm. Then I have the target one. Now this pellet gun will shoot an alloy pellet about 1,500 feet per second, and a target pellet, just a full metal pellet, will shoot that at about 1,200 feet per second. Now this pellet gun isn't really something that you would want a beginner to have. It's because it's a break barrel. It's hard to break. It's a lot of power for someone who's never shot before. And right here, the safety on it isn't like a normal safety. It's a trigger safety. So when it's out like this, the gun is on fire. But when you pull it in, the trigger safety, the trigger doesn't pull. And overall, it's a really nice gun. Really well built. You can use it for hunting. Like, drop a like if I should bring this squirrel hunting. Make a video for that for you guys. I've taken out quite a few squirrels and chipmunks in my backyard with it. You're really reliable. Every shot's the same. It's not like a pump BB gun where every shot's different. It's really reliable gun, you know, always working. The scope is actually an anti-fog scope, so if you're going from indoors in the summer outside, it's not going to fog up. So, yeah.